Hello everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to create a badge in Roblox Studio. So we currently have our Roblox player and you can use the web version, but in order to do this you're going to come over to more, click on it, and then click on create. Now this is going to take us to our Web Studio version and we're going to come over to the left side and click on creations. Then under creations you're going to choose an experience. So we have this one here, we're going to click on it. And then on the left side we're going to scroll down to where we have engagement and then click on badges. And then we have the option to create a badge and we're going to click on it. So right here we have create badge and we'll need to upload an image for that badge, give it a name, a description, and then you can see badges enabled before we can create a badge. We're going to do just that. So as you can see, we have our image, we have the name, the description is not really important, but make sure you have the badge is enabled toggled on. Click on create badge. So while we're waiting for this to load up, we're going to go over to store, click on it. So on this page, we're going to come here and search for welcome badge. So we have this one here, we're going to click on it. Welcome, you joined the game badge script, click on it. Then we're going to click on get model. You can see this item has been added to your inventory. And then you can see try in studio. This item is available in your inventory. So we're going to click on try in studio and it's currently opening our Roblox studio. Now, after our studio has been loaded up, you can see the welcome badge information here. You joined the game badge script and it includes one script. You can click on OK. And when you do that, you can see at the right area here, the welcome badge has been added. Now, the next thing we'll need to do is to double click on welcome badge right here under Explorer. And here we have our code and we have badge ID. The goal here is to change this ID to the one we have. In order to get the one we have, we need to go back to our Roblox Creator Studio on our web browser. And so this is where we left things off. You're going to click on dashboard once again and make sure you're on the creations. And then you're going to click on your experience again and then scroll down to where you have badges. Under engagement, you have badges. Click on it. And now you can see our badge has been loaded up. We can go to the top right area of this badge and click on the three dots there. And then we're going to copy the asset ID. And you guessed it, we're going to go back to our Roblox Studio to change the ID which we had right there. So while it's still selected, you can paste it and you can see your new badge ID has been added. And by doing this, this has created your badge and will reward them. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.